In this video, we're going to look at Stader, which is a multi-chain liquid staking platform. Nothing I say on this channel is
financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money.
Let's get into today's video. So guys, here we are over on staderlabs.com, which is linked down below in the description, so make sure you can check it out after this video. Well, it's a multi-chain liquid staking platform with $118 million of assets already locked, and they've already paid out as well $20 million or more. If you're involved in crypto, then you'll understand that you can make gains from just holding a token and hoping that it goes up in value, but there's also tons of value that you can get from doing things like staking, which is basically locking aside an asset or a certain portion of an asset for a period of time and being rewarded for doing so. Now, if we come down below, we can see that there is a number of different supported networks: Polygon, Hedera HBAR, BNB, Phantom, Near Protocol, Terra Luna 2.0. There's obviously Ethereum, Avalanche, and Solana as well. So no matter what chain you're interested in, there's going to be one here for you. But what we want to check out for today's video is the BNB one here. BNB is basically the Binance Smart Chain token here. So if we click on stake now, then that will bring us across to this particular page here. And you can see that we have a few different opportunities to earn looking at the different rewards by participating in DeFi down here. Now here, what you need to do is effectively connect your wallet via MetaMask or whatever it is you're using. You can click on it here and you can see you can use Coinbase wallet, Binance wallet, whatever it is that you're using, Trust wallet. There's lots of different options. So go away and use the one that suits you. And here you can select the amount of BNB that you want to add in. Now what we can see on the bottom right, earn up to 118% rewards by participating in DeFi. Now we can click here and know more and find out a little bit more about these, but you can see all of the different pools available here, and the APR, which is the annual percentage return, is the amount that you're going to be able to earn back on that particular reward. So let's just click on this Wombat one here, and here within the Wombat one you can see that there's various different pools. So depending on the token you want to stake, some of these are just stable coins, but here you can see you can earn 8%, 7%, and other varying amounts. So we come down to the Frax one, we got 22.93% here. So if we just want to select one of these, we can just click on it, and then we can, obviously at the moment don't have anything deposited, but we could deposit here and then we could stake the amount down here. All straightforward and easy to use, guys. If you come down below, you can see that there's tons of much higher percentage yields available. Here we've got 47% up to 73% here with MWOM. But remember, the tokens that you stake away, they might change in value unless you're using a stable coin like these, which obviously do come still with a little bit of risk, but the stable coins should allow you to earn a nice passive 8%, 7%, something like that. Now, if we look into Stader's ecosystem, we can see that you can leverage Stader's liquid tokens across a growing ecosystem of protocols across different chains. So no matter what chain you're using, you can use them across different chains to earn rewards. Stader itself has been audited by some of the biggest names in the business, so make sure you go and check out all of these things. That again goes for you if you're looking to get into crypto in general, or we're going to look at whether the project's been audited and things like that, because it's essential to ensure that your money is safe. I also highly advise to not put your money into staking pools and things like that if the total value locked, or the TVL, is quite a small amount. What you're really looking for is in the multi-millions of dollars to ensure that they have a good amount of liquidity and that you're not going to just lose your funds. Now what else is cool is Stader brings you these weekly updates. This is for ending the 2nd of April, so the week just gone, and you can see 117 million has been added to the total value locked. So this is growing all the time, and that is something exciting as far as I'm concerned, because it's moving in the right direction. I want to be on the train that's moving in the right direction, not trying to go against it. You can see that we've been working hard, making progress on some exciting and new projects. Here are the top highlights of the DeFi opportunities currently available within the Stader ecosystem, and then you can see down below it's going to take you through the different chains that have been seeing great performances. Notably, now you can earn high yields with your BNB on the exchange as well. Gives you all of the different opportunities on all of the different chains as well, so make sure you go through, learn a bit more about it and understand it in more depth before investing any of your own money. Now jumping back to this page, is also important to note that when you're staking your BNB, and you can use BNBX in DeFi while earning staking rewards, basically you can see that by entering like a certain amount up here, so if I was to put in 22 BNB tokens here, I would get 20.774 BNBX tokens. All I would then do is click on connect wallet, connect my wallet after saying I've read terms and conditions, ensure that I've got that amount of BNB in the particular wallet that I want want to use, and then I would just click and go ahead like that. Then using my BNBX, I can then go to these pools over here, and you can see that you can earn 43% APR on BNBX here. Total value locked at the moment is still a little bit small, but hopefully we'll see that creeping up. In fact, we've got one down here, slightly smaller APR, but a much higher total value locked, which makes me feel a bit more comfortable. And you can see there's different APRs here available on the BNBX. Down here, got 18% for $447,000 locked. So in summary, guys, if you are buying crypto, then there's tons of different ways that you can make money from it. And I recommend looking into staking. Come across to staderlabs.com, link down below in the description, where you'll find out more information on these liquidity pools. It's already a platform with loads of value locked into it, and it's growing all the time. So it's definitely worthwhile learning a bit more about it through this platform. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about how to make money with cryptocurrency, NFTs, crypto gaming, and much more, then hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.